Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum. Viewers, my name is Sadia Farhan and today in History of Mass Media we are going to discuss evolution of printing. So, how printing started, how printing evolved. We will start from wood block printing. Wood block printing was earliest form of printing and that was developed in China around 200 AD. As paper was discovered, paper was invented in China as we have discussed earlier. So, printing was also developed in China. Its design was carved on a block of wood, raised part was inked and then paper was placed on the top. This is how printing was done in wood block printing. Wood block printing was not popular in Europe until 1400s. After wood block printing, we will discuss movable type. Movable type was created by Bai Sheng in Song dynasty, again in China. This was similar to wood block, but technique was different. Its letters can be placed together in any order. In wood block printing, letters have to be put all together, whereas in movable type, letters can be placed together in any order. First printing press. John Gutenberg, he is also called Johannes Gutenberg. From Germany, he invented first printing press in 1440. He used movable type in this printing press and this printing press could be operated by hand. This printing press increased speed of printing. He also published his book and that book named Gutenberg Bible and that book was published in 1455. Then when printing was introduced in England, printing was introduced in England by William Caxton in 1476. His first publication was a religious document. After this, we will discuss different stages of printing. So let's go. We are discussing different stages of printing. Etching is also a technique of printing. It was introduced in 1515. It is the process of making a design. German craftsman Daniel Hofer applied etching in printmaking in 1515. This process involves printing from a metal plate and the plate is coated in a acid-resistant substance. It is placed on paper and then sent through a press to create a print. Lithography, another stage of printing. It was discovered in 1790s. Images drawn on the limestone with an oil-based medium such as wax crayon. Stone is covered in a solution of gum. When solution is removed, it allows the ink to take only where it is required. Rotatory press. In 1843, it was invented by Richard March Hoe. It worked by using cylinders. The images to be printed were curved around. It was faster way of printing. It allows paper continuously fed through press. Offset printing. It was discovered in 1875. It is the most popular way of printing. It transfers the ink from a plate to a rubber blanket and then to the printing surface. Offset printing is used for magazines, posters, and for large format prints. Screen printing. Screen printing was introduced in 1910. Technique involved pushing ink through a mesh stencils onto textile or a paper. Often it is used for T-shirt printing. Inkjet printing. Inkjet printing was introduced in 1951. In inkjet printing, direct contact with paper is no longer required. Ink is applied by spraying it through jets. Laser printing. In laser printing, it was introduced in 1969. It produces high quality images. It passes the laser beam back and forth over a negatively charged cylinder within the printer. It collects powder ink and then transfers image to paper. Digital printing. Digital printing was introduced in 1991. It was print straight from a digital file. We don't need printing plate in digital printing.